What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Damage TV. This probably going to be a double upload today. And today we're going to be talking about my nail journey. And if this is what I think it is, then we're going to be getting started for real. Because, yeah. Where's my knife? Take a swing. Yeah, you're laying on it. Gotta be careful because there's probably liquid in here. So, I always want to know what kind of stuff do people at the nail salons be using, and this is it. So we got some acrylic liquid or liquid monomer, and they use this to like pretty much bond that powder that they use, you know, stuff like that. I don't want to smell it, but I'm gonna show you. Come on, focus now, focus. Maybe you focus if you're back here. That's crazy. But this is Roslyn? Yeah, Roslyn acrylic liquid. This is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. And we're gonna be using this really soon. So get looking forward to me doing my nails. I don't know if I wanna do like live YouTube videos, because I'm no longer like really streaming on YouTube like that. I'm not saying no longer, I'm not really streaming on YouTube like that. You know what I mean? I'm streaming on Twitch. So maybe should I create a separate channel for Damage TV Twitch? Probably not. Because then I'm combining 2 YouTube channels and 2 Twitch channels. I'm already struggling with 1. Why the hell I want to combine 2? So, there we go. So excited. Let me know what you think in the comments about this. Should I got a bigger bottle? If so, let me know, because I want to get a bigger bottle anyway. Either way, this is going to be what we use.